In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DTLS connection Discord. If you're running into a DTLS error when trying to join a voice channel, that usually points to a secure connection problem between your device and Discord's voice servers. DTLS is the protocol that helps encrypt voice traffic, so when it fails, you might see endless RTC connecting, hear nothing, or get kicked from calls. Don't worry, this is often a quick fix. First, restart your computer and then open Discord. A full restart clears out stuck network processes, refreshes your network adapter, and resets your audio device state, which are common culprits behind handshake errors like DTLS. After the restart, launch Discord, join the same voice channel, and see if the connection stabilizes. This simple reset resolves a surprising number of issues, especially after a recent update or a change in Wi-Fi networks. If you still see the same problem, go to the specific voice channel's settings. Open the server where the issue occurs, find the voice channel that's giving you trouble, and click the small gear icon next to the channel name to open Edit Channel. On desktop, you'll see the gear when you hover over the channel name in the list. On mobile, tap into the channel and look for the settings icon. Keep in mind that you need permission to view channel settings. If you don't see the gear, someone with the right role will have to do this for you. Inside the channel settings, look for region override and make sure it's set to automatic. Some channels are manually pinned to a specific region. If that region is far from you or currently unstable, the DTLS handshake can fail, causing connection timeouts or lag. Setting region override to automatic lets Discord pick the healthiest, lowest latency server for that channel in real time. If your server layout shows a save or apply button, confirm your change, then back out of settings. Now, rejoin the voice channel and give it a few seconds to negotiate the secure connection. You should see the status change from connecting to connected and your ping stabilize. This adjustment prevents future DTLS failures too, because Discord can automatically route around regional issues. That's it. Restart Discord by restarting your computer, then ensure the voice channel's region override is set to automatic. With these two steps, most DTLS connection errors are resolved quickly and your calls should be clear and stable again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you back to chatting without interruptions.